Hi there, and happy Easter weekend. My name is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I've never eaten at a Texas Roadhouse, but based on this chart, I can tell the people like it. For whatever reason, Texas Roadhouse, ticker TXRH, is less than 1% from the 2021 high way over here back in May of 2021. It's less than 1%. So it fell with the rest of the market, but for whatever reason, started a nice uptrend here in early 2022. We have a few back tests of some key moving averages, and now we're close to the all-time high once again. And so I want to bring this chart to your attention because this trend is strong. When the rest of the market was going down, Texas Roadhouse was still actively tradable in somewhat of an uptrend. I mean, remember what 2021 was like? It was brutal. And this stock was still finding clear support and finding buyers around these key moving averages. So if the market does turn up from where it is right now, I have to believe that Texas Roadhouse is going to maintain this trend and probably make a new high above that 110 level. And so I definitely think this is a stock you want to pay attention to and potentially look for some pullback buy opportunities near some of these moving averages. Typically, when this stock gets extended above this orange line, that's the 8-day exponential, it magnets back down. So you really want to buy this close to the moving averages, sell the extension, wait for the pullback, rinse, wash, repeat. Or is it wash, rinse, repeat? I don't know how they do it in Texas, but this chart is strong, and it's definitely one that I think you should have an eye on in this market. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and you should definitely check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.